So here we have a clamp style 30 long stroke brake chamber. What we're looking for when we're inspecting these are non-manufactured holes. Looking for when we're looking at the brakes is S-cam flip over. Brand new brake lining that's never been put in use. This is how they would come from the manufacturer.
What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Emails at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining today's podcast show. You know, we just want to give you all the latest news and information and things that can help all the truck drivers across America understand what's going on out there, and so that you are just well prepared. There's something here that people have been sending me links about, the Louisiana State Police. They got something going on here. I want to read this to you guys so that you guys can see this. It says, Louisiana State Police has many specialized divisions within our organization. In addition to our normal patrol troopers, our commercial vehicle enforcement division is responsible for the safety inspections and enforcement of federal and state commercial vehicle regulations. From August 20th to 26th, troopers with Commercial Vehicle Enforcement Division have partnered with Kenworth of Louisiana and the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance to conduct an Operation Air Brake. So this safety campaign is comprehensive program dedicated to improving commercial vehicle brake safety with the goal of reducing the number of highway crashes caused by faulty braking system on commercial vehicles. So during this time, troopers will be conducting roadside inspections and educating drivers, mechanic owners, and operations and operators and others on the importance of proper brake inspections, maintenance, and operations to ensure these heavy vehicles can be stopped properly. There is a video that they do have that shows basically what they are looking for, and this is pretty much nationwide here. So I definitely want to show you guys this and just give you guys just the information. So hey, basically till the 26th, you know, across all of America, they say Mexico and Canada, they're doing this air brake safety. So they're checking your brakes. All right. You know, here's the video down below. Make sure you definitely do your pre-trips and post-trips, but hopefully this video helps you so that at least you know what you're looking at, especially for the new truck drivers out there that are just getting on the road. You know, Mutha Truckers, I appreciate you guys so much. You know, definitely Louisiana State Police and Louisiana Kenworth. Appreciate the collaboration. Let's get this done.
I'm Lieutenant Greg Pleasant with Louisiana State Police Commercial Vehicle Enforcement Section. In partnership with Kenworth of Louisiana, Sergeant Jeremy Cornett is going to discuss different brake components we will be checking during Operation Brake Safety Week, sponsored by CVSA. Sergeant Cornett, take it away.
So here we have a clamp style 30 long stroke brake chamber. What we're looking for when we're inspecting these are non-manufactured holes. Non-manufactured holes can come from friction, rubbing through, striking some debris on the roadway, several different things. There should be no non-manufactured holes anywhere in this brake chamber. We have your air lines coming in. You want to listen for air leaks. You want to look for any wear, tear, any nicks in these brake lines. As the driver applies the brakes, your push rod will extend. From there, your push rod is attached to your automatic slack adjuster via a clevis pin. The clevis pin has a keeper cotter pin. You want to look for those things when you're inspecting the braking system. You also want to verify that your slack adjusters are equal on both sides. In order to check that they're equal length, you measure from the center of the S-cam shaft to the center of the clevis pin on both the right and the left side, ensuring that they are the same length. As your automatic slack adjuster has pressure applied from the push rod, it applies force to the S-cam shaft, which goes into the S-cam. So this is the S-cam. What we're looking for when we're looking at the brakes is S-cam flip over. And what happens is the linings will be so worn, or there will be other mechanical parts worn, that it will flip this S-cam over, and then it will render the brake inoperative. These are 3 examples of brake linings. This is a brand new brake lining that's never been put in use. This is how they would come from the manufacturer. This is an excessively worn brake lining. As you can see, you take your ruler and you measure your brake lining thickness at the center. When you take your measurements, you will know whether you have excessive wear or not. Also, with this brake lining, you'll see a crack. From the edge, while you're inspecting, you'll measure that crack and document the width of the crack. And as you see here, this crack is not just an edge surface crack. It goes all the way through the brake lining. This third example is an example of a contaminated brake lining. Contaminated brake linings are caused by wheel seal, hub leaking, or over-greasing of the axle. So we're inside the cab. There are a couple of different things that we want to check inside the cab. The first thing that we're going to do is check the ABS light. Make sure that it cycles through and the light goes off. If the light goes off, that's an indication that there are no faults. ABS light. It's cycled through, the light is off, no faults. Welcome back. We just returned from Kenworth, Louisiana, our partner in the industry, where we talked about brake pads, brake linings. We discussed brake chambers. We also talked about clevis pins and other critical inspection points with the braking system. Here at Louisiana State Police Fleet, we're going to discuss electronic or electric brakes. With electric brakes, you're going to have an emergency breakaway system. This system has a couple of different components. The first component we're going to discuss is the cable. This cable connects from this box to the towing vehicle. What this cable does is ensures that if this trailer comes uncoupled from the towing unit, it pulls the plug, which activates this battery, which then sends electric current to the electric brakes in the back of the vehicle, or the back of the trailer. That will slow down this trailer and eventually stop it.